My name is Kevin Lewis, and this is my Sprint 2 progress for mobile apps. Major achievements this sprint: we connect the database to retrieve the recipes that we created in the first sprint, and then we add them to a visible list. We created the ability to view those recipes from the populated list by clicking on them, and then we use queries in order to sort and specify subsets of the recipes. Browser. As a browser, I want to see full recipes so I can make them. So every click brings up recipe details. The click must be in the list view area, and only one recipe is shown at a time. Okay, let's go back to our recipes. So every click will bring up a recipe details. So we'll try peanut butter sandwich, corn dog, omelet. Only the recipe you click is being shown one at a time. And if we click outside the list box, nothing happens. As a browser, I want to see the full recipe so I can make it. So the ingredients are all shown in the details, the creator of the recipe is shown in the details, and the directions are given in the details. So let's check spaghetti. We can see the name, the creator, the ingredients and the amounts, and the directions. Turkey sandwich, so we have the name, the creator, the ingredients and amounts, and the directions. As a browser, I want to have a selectable choice for meal so I can choose one. So the radio buttons appear immediately on recipe viewing, and the radio buttons always show up on top of the recipe viewing areas. Okay, so let's go back. So when we start the program, this shows up immediately, and they always show up on top of the recipe areas. So we'll go to view recipe and come back, and we still have the radio buttons. Let's go create a recipe. Oh, I'm not signed in. Okay, so that's fine. Every time we leave and come back, we have the radio buttons. As a browser, I want to click on a meal so I can filter it out. So the all radio button shows all the recipes. The breakfast radio button only shows breakfast recipes. The lunch radio button only shows the lunch recipes. And the dinner radio button only shows the dinner recipes. So right now we have them all. So breakfast only shows our breakfast recipes. Lunch will show our lunch recipes, and dinner will show our dinner recipes, and all will show all our recipes. As a browser, I want to revert my choices so I can see all meals. All recipes are shown after clicking the all button after clicking the breakfast button. All recipes are shown after clicking the all button after clicking the lunch button. All recipes are shown after clicking the all button after clicking the dinner button, and then all recipes are shown after clicking the all button after clicking any combination of buttons. So we'll go click lunch, and then back to all, breakfast, back to all, dinner, back to all, and then any combination, so lunch, dinner, breakfast, and back to all. Shows all my recipes. As a browser, I want to see new recipes on top so that I can choose the age I look at. So recipes are shown in order of age when recipes are first viewed, and new recipes are added to the top of the list when they are created. So we can see here, I created these a minute ago. I created pancakes first, then omelet, then turkey sandwich, and so on. So the newest is at the top, and then let's log in and we'll add a recipe, and we'll see that goes to the top and is the newest. So we'll sign in here. Create a new recipe. Let's say we want to make hash browns. So we'll need one potato, one whole, and we need some butter, 2 tablespoons, add, and salt. Say 2 teaspoons. So add directions, slice potato into thin slices, salt, potato slices, butter, the pan, Add slices to pan and cook until crispy. Add our directions, and this is going to be breakfast. So add our recipe, and we go back to breakfast, and we see hash browns are on the top. They're the newest. Go back to all, and hash browns are on the top. As a browser, I want to be able to scroll through recipes so I can see them all. So the recipe list shows all recipes created within a given meal category, and the recipe list allows the user to see every recipe in the list. So the all shows all my recipes, and we scroll through. Breakfast shows all the breakfast recipes. Lunch shows all the lunch recipes, and dinner shows all the dinner recipes. And if they had more, they'd be scrollable as well. Conclusion, next sprint we're going to focus on allowing recipes to be edited by the creator in case they want to change them. Being able to search by creator to find all their recipes, and then saving favorite recipes for a browser. That's it.